Hi, this is Raju, Special Educator from Pinaki Province Network, Imaginary Facility. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
So, what is your kid age?
Currently, he is 7 years to 6 months, 7.5 years.
How long you are taking care of this from?
For almost 2.5 years now.
So, in the previous, how much he had ability score, and now present how much?
Initially, his ability score was 282, and as of today, his ability score is 532. And we have seen a drastic improvement over the period of 2 years. He has improved behavioral wise as well as his self-sufficient wise. So he is doing good.
So, he is scientifically proven with the therapies and get that improvement, and he is getting also more, much better.
Yes.
So, how is in scientific mainstream?
Mainstream, he is doing good. He is sitting on and having food, and in school he is capable enough to sit within the classroom and mingle with all the other kids around him, play along with him, or coordinate with him for any activities. So that way we felt better. And we also consulted teachers. We are asking them very frequently like how he is doing in the class on a everyday basis. So we have a positive feedback from them. Earlier he used to be roaming around the classes, but as of now he is doing good. He is sitting in the classroom, sitting the bench, and he is trying to cooperate with the teachers and students. So that way, in the mainstream, he is doing very well as of now.
And what about the self-sufficiency?
Self-sufficient also, he is doing good now. Uh, we can say like eating snacks or doing the very regular day-to-day activities, he is good enough. For few things, he need improvement like eating rice, food on his own. Those kind of things he might need improvement. But from earlier, we can say he has a very good improvement and he is capable enough to do these things on his own.
Okay, thank you, sir. He is getting more improvement and with the certificate.
Yes, thank you, sir.